स्टैंडर्ड 11th तुमको लग रहा होगा कि थोड़ा सा बोरिंग है, किताब पढ़नी पड़ेगी, थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग है, लेकिन इसी प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करने के लिए हम लोग आई प्रेप एनिमेशन वीडियोस लेकर आए हैं। आज हम बिजनेस स्टडीज 11th का एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक करेंगे इस एनिमेशन वीडियो के साथ, विच इज बीइंग पावर्ड बाय आई प्रेप। तो टाइम नहीं वेस्ट करते हैं, सीधा सीधा चलते हैं काम पर।
Types of partnerships. Types of partnerships. Partnerships can be classified on the basis of duration and the extent of business. On the basis of duration of business, it can be partnership at will and fixed period partnerships. On the basis of liability or extent of business, it can be general partnerships and particular partnerships. Partnerships at will. The existence of this partnership depends on the will of the partners. The business of the firm continues as long as partners desire and is terminated when any partner gives notice for dissolution of the firm. Particular partnership. In this partnership, which is formed for completing only a particular project or any activity to be carried on for a special period of time only. This partnership is automatically dissolved on completion of the project or activity. General partnership. The partnership in which the liability of the partners is unlimited is called general partnership. In this type of partnership, partners have the right to take part in the management of the firm. Death, insolvency, retirement or leniency of any partner adversely affects the existence of the firm. Limited partnership. Limited partnership is the partnership in which the liability of at least one member is unlimited while others have limited liability. The members with limited liability neither have the rights to participate in the management of the business nor are their acts binding on other partners or the firm. Partnership deed. A partnership deed, also known as partnership agreement, is a document that outlines in detail the rights and responsibilities of all parties to a business operation. It has the force of law and is designed to guide the partners in the conduct of the business. It is helpful in preventing disputes and disagreements between the partners.
आ गया ना मजा? इन सच अ लेस टाइम तुम्हें बिजनेस 11th का एक इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक भी समझ में आ गया। यही तो फन है आई प्रेप के एनिमेशंस का। ऐसी बहुत सारी वंडरफुल एनिमेशंस, डिटेल टीचर वीडियोस, नोट्स, असेसमेंट्स देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए हुए सुपर ऐप आई प्रेप के लिंक को डाउनलोड करना ना भूलें और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना भी ना भूलें। टिल देन टेक केयर, हैप्पी लर्निंग।